Alright, let's see how to auto-generate and customize subtitles in Filmora 13. So, let's get into it. I have this 3-minute long video that I have imported. The first thing is to check that you're logged in. Click this button here. You can create a free Wondershare account if you don't have any. Right click on the clip and click this speech to text option. A pop-up will display. Set the video language from the top. It supports many languages. We can generate this clip subtitles or the whole sequence. Also, choose SRT and Filmora will create a file to use and edit in the project. Filmora gives you credits and this video will consume 16 credits. Click OK to start the process. This will take some time. Once this is finished, Filmora will create a file and add it to the timeline. Close this pop-up now. When the clip is selected, you'll see the basic options including scale, position and opacity. All the customizations are in this advanced panel. To fix a wrong word, click on the line and edit the text. Presets is where we have built-in presets. We can also save custom presets and find them here. Only one subtitle clip will be edited, but you can click this button to apply the settings to all the clips. Further customizations are here. You can change the fill color, which is the font color. The outline is the text stroke. I always enable it and set the color to black to help viewers read them properly. Each option has sub-options such as blurriness, opacity and thickness that can be adjusted for that perfect result. We can enable the background, which is helpful in some video types. If you do, increase the spread option slightly to make them look presentable. Click Apply All to see the same edits on all the clips. The last are animations. This is great for TikTok and YouTube shorts. You can animate words to get the viewer's attention. Filmora will download those first, so you must have an internet connection. On the top is where you can change the font and font size. I forgot to cover this earlier, but you can change them here. Let's save this preset to use it in other projects. So this is how to generate subtitles in Filmora automatically. Thanks for watching and please let me know if you need any help. I'll catch you later. Take care.